What's up? It's Mike Bellagio. Just coming here with another Acura TL video. I'm actually modding S-type aluminum pedals. Taking these out. These look kind of, it's all about the little details that matter. So aluminum here, aluminum, vinyl. It looked like a vinyl carbon aluminum, but everything looked good though. Just doing these little minor so I did this mod. It's a dope mod. I had to pull that out, and then I had to like mount it evenly, and then I just like cut it so it could look perfect. Looks good, So the Acura TL it's more about just the little things, adding the little things that matter, and making the little things pop out more, So it's Mike Bellagio. All I got left is just gas pedal. I don't even know. In all honesty, I don't even know like how I'm gonna do it with the gas pedal. I might have to just drill over it. I don't know. But like this one, I had to drill over this one, so I might just have to do it that one too. So it's Mike Bellagio. Let me know if you like the Acura TL videos. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.